Welcome to EMS. It's the continuation of finance management. So in this video, we are going to do the payment voucher. That could be like cash payment voucher or bank payment voucher. So the procedure is same as been explained in the previous videos. We are going to add a payment voucher. Add payment voucher. Same procedure. If you want to select a student, you need to select a class, select a section, and you can select a student from here. If it is related to a staff, so select staff, and you can select staff from here. If it's not related to any one of them, so you can just put admin. And first we are going to do the cash transaction. So cash in hand. If you don't have any account, so you can add one from here. Then we are going to select the account head for the payment. So if you don't find any account head required, so you can add from here one. Select the account types. You can do it from here. Account title, so I will say refreshment. It will come here, select, and T and 350. You can add as many lines as you want, but be sure and be careful that you need to select only expense or like anything related to payments, not income. And I will say salaries, staff salaries, cash, it's normal, and traveling cost. That's how we are adding all of them and save and close. Now, and if you check this one, this is view, and there's cash payment voucher. You can find all of the related information here. You can print from here. Now another payment voucher. Select a staff and bank. I will put this one as a reference. You can pay the check number or slip number. If I go to do expense, so premises expenses, miscellaneous motor expenses, recruitment expenses, and then cash by 22,000, and expense, premises expenses, cash 2,500. Add another one, expense, and miscellaneous motor expenses. It's related to that particular staff or employee, and I will say cash. So that's how we are adding bank payment voucher. If you view it, it will say bank payment voucher. That's all for the payment voucher so far. Thank you very much for watching.